Hey guys, how are you? National Mineral Development Corporation is recruiting through GATE 2021. तो गेल ने अपना पहले नोटिफिकेशन रिलीज किया था that they are going to recruit through GATE 2021. Now NMDC has also released its notification. So it's a good news. Okay. Let us see which are the eligible branches. The eligible branches are electrical, mechanical and mining. Even for the positions of materials management, the eligible branches are electrical, mechanical and mining. Okay. So these are the full-time degrees that are eligible for the vacancies of electrical department, and these are the degrees which are eligible for the vacancies of the mechanical department. Okay. और materials management की discipline के लिए electrical, mechanical and mining, as I told you. Age limit, upper age limit is 27 years and बाकी categories के लिए whatever are the norms उसके हिसाब से relaxation दी गई है. And you should have minimum 60% marks if you belong in your BTech. You should have minimum 60% marks if you belong to general, OBC and EWS category, OBC NCL. Okay. And for SC/ST candidates, they should have secured minimum 50% of the marks. तो अगर ये eligibility criteria meet करता है, you can go for it. Next, these are the vacancies which they have. These are the tentative number of vacancies which they have shown in this PDF. Okay. इसमें एक important information मैं तुम्हें अभी बताने जा रहा हूँ, वो ध्यान रखना. There is one important information. These are the vacancies. Okay, that's cool. See, read this section. Read this point. N. After applying online, the candidate is required to download the hard copy filled in application form. Download the hard copy of the application form and send the same by mentioning the unique registration number appearing on the online application, the employment notification number, name of the post, discipline on top of the envelope. और उसको भेजना है तुम्हें. So in this notification, you have to download the application form, उसका hard copy निकालना है, and you have to mention all these details. What do you have to mention? Unique registration number, employment notification number, name of the discipline, and the post on the top of the envelope. Okay. And what you have to do? Affixing recent passport size photograph along with the copies of all the certificates and testimonials self attested along with the copy of GATE 2021 admit card. इतना सारा कुछ तुम्हें भेजना है. ओके. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? ये सारा कुछ मेंशन करना है. ध्यान रखना, यूनिक रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर, एम्प्लॉयमेंट नोटिफिकेशन नंबर, कौन सी पोस्ट और डिसिप्लिन के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, एंड यू हैव टू अफिक्स योर रीसेंट पासपोर्ट साइज फोटोग्राफ, और बाकी सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स यू हैव टू सेल्फ अटैच देम अलॉन्ग विद गेट 2021 एडमिट कार्ड. ओके. ये सब कुछ तुम्हें एनवेलप में डाल के, एक ही एनवेलप में डालना है. यू हैव टू पुट ऑल दीज इन सिंगल एनवेलप एंड यू हैव टू सेंड इट टू दिस एड्रेस. पोस्ट बॉक्स नंबर 1382, पोस्ट ऑफिस, हुमायूं नगर, हैदराबाद, तेलंगाना स्टेट, पिन 50008. I will put the link of this notification in the description so that ये address and whatever the things they require वो तुम यहाँ से check कर सको. Okay, so this was the important point here. Okay, let's move ahead. Mode of selection, they have also given that GATE 2021 score, they will give 70% weightage to this GATE 2021 score. GD will be given 15% weightage and interview will also be given 15% weightage. Okay. And they will be calling the students in the ratio of 1:10. So this they have given. Salary is very good. The pay scale is again rupees 60,000 to 1,80,000, and all other benefits will be given to you. Okay. Next, these are some of the points which are written when you have to attend the GD and interview. This you have to read when you will get a shortlist for GD and interview. Okay. The last date is 21st March. The starting date is 1st March, and one important date is also there, that is last date of receipt of hard copies is 5th April. Okay. So we don't have to wait for the last date. What we have to do is 1st March ko the portal will be open. Set the reminder in your phone right now as you see this notification, if you're getting a good gate score, set a reminder in your phone, fill the application form, download it, see this job advertisement, where, I mean, what are the documents they require and where do you have to send this application form. ये notification link में मिल जाएगा, and just send the application form to the, to the given address. Okay, last date for receipt is 5th April. So this is the important information I wanted to tell you here in this notification. So NMDC has also released its notification finally through GATE 2021. All the best.